Hello everyone, I'm Mike Anderson from Collision Advice, and this is my great friend Danny Gredinberg from the DEG. And we are so excited to be working with SCRS to bring you a brand new series of quick tips to help you to boost your business.
Good afternoon, Bruce Halcro with SCRS here, my friend Mike Anderson. And I had some questions today for Mike about implementing some SOPs on the scanning process in my shop.
So Bruce, great question. I get a lot of questions from a lot of people around the country in regards to SOPs. So first of all, Bruce, let's tell them what you mean by SOPs. SOP stands for Standard Operating Procedures, right? Again, SOP stands for Standard Operating Procedures. It's the way we want things done. Now, Bruce, you're asking a question about developing an SOP or Standard Operating Procedure around scanning and calibrations, but let's just talk about some general principles for SOPs for any business, no matter what it is you need them for. There's really 4 steps to building an SOP for your business. There's develop, train, test, and audit. I'll say those again. Develop, train, test, and audit. Develop the SOP. Develop the way you want things done. After that, you want to train your staff to ensure they understand the way you want things done. And then you want to test them to ensure retention. And last but not least, we want to audit them to ensure that it becomes a habit and it becomes sustainable. Now, in regards to SOPs, remember we said develop, train, test, and audit. There's different ways of testing people to ensure the retention. Now, if they're welding, then I'm going to probably have them weld, right? So I can see the quality of their welds and watch them. But however, maybe it's the way that they write an estimate, and the way I test them is I'm going to actually look at the final estimate they wrote. So remember, testing can vary. Now understand there's a lot of great resources available to you if you want to implement SOPs in your business. You don't always have to start from scratch. Most, if not every single paint company, Bruce, will actually have SOPs that they'll make available to you. And keep in mind, most of your paint companies, not only do they have SOPs around the paint process, but most of them have SOPs around scheduling, estimating, customer service. Also check with your equipment vendors. Most of your vendors that sell frame equipment or welding equipment, they're going to have SOPs as well. Most of your software companies are going to have SOPs. For example, how to utilize their management system, right, and how to navigate the screens. And not only will they have SOPs, sometimes they'll have online videos as far as how to help you do that. And then also check with other companies like 3M or Worth or Fuser or Kent. They also are going to have SOPs. So, in summary, ladies and gentlemen, remember SOPs, 4 steps to implementation. Develop, train, test, and audit. And remember, you may not have to start from scratch, so check with all of your industry partners that support your business. So Bruce, thanks for the question and thanks for having me today. We hope you enjoyed this tip. Make it a great day.
If you find these tips helpful, please subscribe, like, and share, and comment below for any future suggestions. Thank you for watching.